Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Voice of the listeners, I'm Shakira.
And I'm Ayunisa.
By the way, how are you today? I hope you are healthy and positive energy.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to Voice of the Earth, a podcast where we talk about nature, the environment, and inspiring people who protect our planet.
In the middle of our busy life, school, assignment, and daily routines, we often forget to pause and care about environment around us.
Through this podcast, we want to invite you to reconnect with nature in relaxed and hopeful way.
Today's episode is very special because we are joined by someone who has proven that one person can make a big difference of the environment. For the environment.
He is Sadiman, we usually know as Mas Sadiman. He is an environmental activist from Central Java who has success in planting trees in the Monlau area and has success in planting trees in Monlau area and has success in producing clean water by trees in the forest. And we call Mbah Sadiman.
Okay, Assalamualaikum Mbah, how are you today?
Waalaikumsalam. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well. I'm happy to talk with young people like you.
Mbah, can you tell us what this hill was like before you planted the trees?
It was very dry and barren. During the dry season, people struggled to find water
Okay, but what made you believe that planting trees would solve the problem?
because trees store water in their roots. If there are many trees, water will return.
Mbah, did everyone support you at the beginning?
Not really. Some people looked at me and said I was wasting my time.
Did that hurt your feelings?
Of course, I feel sad sometimes, but I believe that good intention will bring a dry season. People struggle to find water
Okay, but what made you believe that planting trees would solve the problem?
because trees store water in their roots. If there are many trees, water will return.
Mbah, did everyone support you at the beginning?
Not really. Some people looked at me and said I was wasting my time.
Did that hurt your feelings?
Of course, I feel sad sometimes, but I believe that good intention will bring a good result. So I keep planting trees little by little.
Wait. Now we call Srianto and Novia. Hi, I'm Suryanto. I'm the successor Mbah Sadiman as environmental activist.
Hi, I'm Novia, as Mbah Sadiman Daudi.
Okay, Suryanto, what made you interested continue? Mbah Sadiman works is an environmental activist.
Seeing Mbah Sadiman was old and planting 1,000 of trees in the forest made me change my mind about moving to the city and decide to help and continue by Mbah Sadiman work.
Okay, are there people who ostracize you?
Yes, many people say to me, why you follow people like that? And you change your mind to stay in the village and help his work. Because if I moving to the city, I can make a lot of money, but I choose to still stay in this village. Novia, what kind of criticism did you receive from people about your project?
Yes, I received criticism from the community and planted trees in the forest and didn't make any money.
Okay. But are you proud to see Mbak Saliman successfully plant thousands of trees in the forest?
Yes, I am very proud of Mbak Saliman because he successfully planted thousands of the trees, and thanks to his service, he managed to produce clean water when the village was experiencing a water shortage.
Okay, thank you. Mbak Saliman, what message would you like to give to young generation?
Start with small action. Don't throw trash carelessly. Reduce plastic use. If possible, planting at least one tree.
Sometimes we feel like small action don't make a difference.
A small step, when done together, becomes something big. One tree may seem small, but thousands of trees can change a hill.
What is your hope for Indonesian environment in the future?
I hope young people care more about nature, but I trust for future generation.
Thank you so much, Mbak, for sharing your inspiring story today.
From this conversation, we learned that one person can make a big difference.
I hope it inspires many people.
Let's protect our planet together. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.